Right here is Oklahoma Joe's halftime charcoal starter XL. Now, I've been watching a lot of their videos and reading, and that states that they'll have your charcoal briquettes or lump done in 15 minutes. It's gonna cut down pretty much half of the time would be using a regular chimney. So I'm gonna put it to the test. I've watched their videos and seen that, okay, is it really cutting half the time? Is it really 15 minutes? So they used 100 charcoal briquettes, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use Kingsford, and they also used 2 of their own tumbleweeds to start up their chimney, but I got me some Weber cubes, so I'm going to use 2. Basically going to see if it is 15 minutes, or at least close to that, so we'll see. Here are the 100 briquettes. So I'm going to place them in the chimney. Alright, that's what it looks like. All 100 briquettes in the chimney. So let's light it up and let's see if it's 15 minutes. My Weber cubes. There it is. Now, wait and see. 119. We'll bring it back. Ten minutes in. That's what it looks like so far. What do you think? You're gonna get to 15? I don't know. $15 in. That's what it is. We'll let it keep going. We'll see, how long it takes. 25 minutes in. Now it's starting to get hashed over on top on one side right here. So we're getting there, Once that gets on that side hashed out, then we're done. But that's what it is so far. 25 minutes in. Alright, 1:55. I'm calling it. They're hashed over. But you don't have to actually wait this long. Once you get to the 20-25 mark, then you can start using these briquettes, to start cooking. But I just wanted to see, how long more it would go. So not quite 15 minutes. But not as advertised, but I don't know, maybe they'll say I did something wrong, right? But the thing that makes this chimney starter different is that the size of it, it's not as tall as the other ones, but the thing about it, it's wide, so it's going to hold the same amount of briquettes as the other ones. But with this design is that they're saying is that because of the width of it, it makes it a lot easier for air to get through. And you can see, so look at all around, there's openings all around, so even more air is getting in, so it's not as stuck together as it would be in a tall chimney. And like the tall chimneys, by the time it's done, the bottom of the chimney's all, you know, pretty much gone, you know, the briquettes, because of how hot it got. So this kind of helps it because it's wide, more air get in, and it's not, you know, just, I mean, as you can see. But that's pretty much it. So let me know what you think. Comment below, and I'll see you until the next one.